Come on, buy this game 2-0, son. Come on, 2/1, again,
This is playing.
Let's play game. I can now buy bear. Now shock I'm win over 2.
So me, I should be bored, right? I should be bored.
It is smoky,
Let's play a game now. Later, you do what you're doing. At least make me happy and let me be cheerful. It's true today. I don't get. I don't understand.
Oh yeah, which one be truth and dare now? Like they don't want to share. We want to they come be able to get truth or dare.
Baby, stop.
When they game, it's your game.
Let's play. Baby, stop. It's a romantic game. Let's make the place fun.
Oh yeah. Start your fun game. Let I see. If I know if you play my day. Hope it's not that true or dare. Because I'll not make you beat me again.
I'm not going to beat you. It's just 3 questions. I will ask my own, then you will come ask your own.
Truth or dare? I know do truth or dare.
Truth
or dare? I know do truth or dare.
Why they do like that? No. It's going to be fun. You're going to enjoy it. Let's try it. Babes. Let's play. Okay, I'm going to ask my questions.
Because I like you. Ask me.
Would I too much?
Do you like big boobs, small boobs like mine?
What is boobs?
Yes.
Breasts. Whether I like small breasts or big breasts.
No.
I said like big breasts.
You don't like my boobs.
If you don't big, I will like them.
You're not serious. How would you say you like big breasts? What kind of guy are you? What kind of boy are you? You're supposed to
You
like
don't
my...
start to. Now you say no to beat me.
Sorry.
Ask another one, I beg.
God have mercy upon us.
Why would you even like big breasts in the first place? I beg you. Okay, this time around, you make sure better answer something that's going to make me happy. You get
This man.
Alright, so okay. So between big nyash and small nyash as my own potty, which one you like?
Big nyash.
Yes. Big nyash. How would you be saying you like big nyash? What kind of a man are you?
Sorry.
For my family, they like big nyash. My grandmama get big nyash. My grandpapa can't see her. My mama can't see get big nyash.
Still telling me.
Hey, you won't go grow one day now. I go the manager now.
Leave me alone.
Sorry.
Okay, must be do this one. Some Janova.
How would you say you like big nyash? You're supposed to like my own.
You don't make me sad.
Don't worry, portables as well can any other question.
One last question for the role. This time around, don't play with me. You get me? Don't fuck with me.
Okay.
So, between Bitcoin and me, the sexy baby, like.
Are you normal?
Prefer.
I did a Bitcoin, Devagi.
Yes, now it's me now, obviously.
No, but Bitcoin can't make
What?
I am would I too much?
Bitcoin.
No.
You can